Where's the annotator? Okay, annotator is also there. Why is the annotator not coming on? Now, this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse, root of 13. Now 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Already is given tan A is equal to 2 by 3. So what will be cot A? Simply
3 by 2.
2 by
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Cot A
Very
would
good.
be 3
Okay.
by 2.
Okay. Now cosec A.
Cosec A would be,
Say the formula. Tell me the thing then.
cosec A is cosec A, hypotenuse by opposite side.
Yes, hypotenuse. How much is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse is root of 13 and opposite side is 2. So root of 13 by 2.
Root of 13 by 2. Very good. Root of 13 by 2 is coming. Yeah, cosec. That is cosecant. Okay. Secant theta.
Secant theta, the hypotenuse by adjacent.
Yeah. Hypotenuse is how much?
Root of 13.
Adjacent
Adjacent is 3.
root of 13 by 3. So that also correct. Secant theta, cosecant theta. Cot theta you got is 3 by 2. Okay, very good. Let's move on to the example. Next example. Okay, we will now start the, let us do some diagramming, sketchpad. Now what is telling, wait. This is theta. Here it is right angle. Okay. Now, which is hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. All right. No issues there. Secant theta is equal to, what is the formula?
Secant theta, it is hypotenuse by adjacent.
So how much? He's saying secant theta is 13 by 5. So hypotenuse is equal to 13. Adjacent is equal to 5. What is Pythagoras theorem? Let us name this as ABC triangle. Now, triangle ABC, AC squared is equal to how much? Pythagoras theorem.
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
No, hypotenuse is Okay. Should give in terms of hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse is 13.
No. The name of the line.
BC.
So BC squared equal to
BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square.
very good plus AC squared. Okay. How much is BC?
BC is 13.
So 13 squared is equal to how much is AB?
AB is 5.
5 squared plus AC squared. So you take this on the other side
Hmm.
to get AB squared. How much is 13 into 13?
13 into 13.
169. What is 5 squared?
5 square is 25.
25. This is equal to AB squared. Okay. 169 minus 25 euro. 9 minus 5.
25.
How much?
4.
6 minus 2.
4.
1 minus 0. 144. Okay. AB squared is equal to 144. Then AB is equal to how much?
Root of 144.
What into what is 144? 13 into 13 is 169. What into what is 144?
1 second, uncle.
Huh? You don't know your tables. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 4, 4, 4. So 12 into 12 is 144. So this is root of 12 squared. So AB is equal to what?
AB is equal to 12. 12.
So this is 12. Okay. Now you got all the data that you want. What is asking now? He's asking to say on the left hand side, he's telling very complex formula. Looks very fearful. 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equal to 3. This is right hand side. Okay. Now, first what we have to find out now? What are the first step now? If you have to prove this, what is the first step? First, what you have to do?
We have to solve the 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta.
Yeah. Before that, what is the first step?
Substitute the properties.
You're coming from the back. Okay, substitute what?
The values.
What value?
The value of sin theta.
Cos substitute the value of sin theta. What else value you have to substitute?
Sin theta is.
No. What other value you'll have to substitute? There is sin
theta and cos theta.
So you'll have to find those two first, right? This is the first step. This is the second step. Then only the third step substitute. Very good. Okay. Now tell me what is 1 second. Okay. What is sin theta?
Sin theta is opposite side is,
this is
12.
12 by
13.
Very good. Cos theta is
5 by 13.
Very good. Now you'll have to substitute. Now you tell in that formula on the left hand side. 2 into how much?
2 into 12 by 13.
12 by 13 minus how much?
3 into 5 by 13.
5 by 13. Now you have to divide. 1 second. Two into 12 by 13. Divided by what?
Divided by 4 into 12 by 13.
Very good. Okay.
Minus 9 into 5 by 13.
Very good. Okay. So 2 into 12.
2 to 12, 24.
24 by 13 minus how much? 3 into 5?
15.
15 by 13. That is on the top. Bottom 4 into 12?
4 into 12 is 48.
48 by 13. 9 into 5?
45.
45 by 13. Okay. Now we'll blow this all out. Okay. What went missing? 45 went missing.
Yes, uncle?
So 24 minus 15 is how much?
24 minus 15 is 9.
So top becomes 9 by 13. 48 minus 45?
48 minus 45, 3.
3 by 13. These two get cancelled. Then what you'll have? Top is 9, bottom is what?
3.
9 by 3 is how much?
3 by 1.
3 by 1. That is right hand side. Proved. Okay. Right. What they wanted to prove is equal to 3. So sum looked very complex, but actually very simple sum. Okay. So you should not get afraid. I won't attempt this sum. Let me go to some other sum. Don't be like that.
Okay.
Sometimes, this complex sum only is the simplest sum. Okay. Have you written it down?
Yes, uncle.
But it's there in your textbook. These things you don't have to write it down. Exercises you have to write down. Okay.
Yes, uncle.
Now I'm not looking at your textbook. I'm working out these things maximum myself. Like that we will do. It will be easier. Now let's go to another thing. We will start the exercise. Let us do a few sums today. And sums we may not be able to cover. We'll do a few sums today. Okay. Now we are starting. The given figure, find all the trigonometric ratios of angle B. It's telling. This is angle B, angle C, angle A. This is the right angle. So which is the this is theta. Okay, angle B is theta. So which is the opposite side? This one is the opposite side. Which is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse is CB.
BC is the hypotenuse.
BC.
Then AB is what?
AB is the adjacent side.
Adjacent side. Okay. Find all the trigonometric ratios. How much is hypotenuse? Is saying 41. Adjacent side is saying 40. Opposite side is saying 9. Okay. Now let us start. You tell me what is sine theta. Formula is what?
Could you just give me 1 second? Let me just note all these things down.
No problem.
That means 41. 9 and adjacent side is 40. Yes, uncle.
Now you tell me what is formula for sine theta?
Sine theta is hypotenuse by opposite side.
No. Hypotenuse will never come on the top for sine and cos. Only for the reciprocal ratios, you will have hypotenuse on the top. How to remember? Always for the three main ratios, hypotenuse will come at the bottom if it comes. For the three reciprocal ratios only, hypotenuse will come on the top. Noted.
So sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse.
So how much is that?
Opposite side by hypotenuse is 9 by 41.
Very good. Okay. Same way, cos theta now you tell. How much formula?
Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Very good. Now numbers.
40 by 41.
Super. Now tan theta, how much? What is that formula?
Adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side.
Yeah, opposite by adjacent. Numbers.
9 by 40.
9 by 40. Now the converse. Okay. First thing is what? Cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta now? Now you can easily say, may not calculate now.
Cosecant theta is 41 by 9.
And secant theta.
Secant theta is 41 by 40.
Very good. Cot theta.
Cot theta is 40 by 9.
40 by 9. Simple matter over. Any issues with that? Straightforward problem. Once you understood the straightforward problem, then only we can do all the other problems. Okay?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. You want to copy this down?
Yes, uncle. I already copied it down.
Already copied. Then I can rub it.
Yes, uncle.
No, why this is not working? 1 second.
Yes, uncle. Which sum are we doing again, uncle?
6.1. Now we're going to do 6.2. Sorry, 6.2.
Example 6.2, sir.
Not example 6.2, exercise 6.2. We finished the examples. Good. These things you won't have in your textbook. You have to work out yourself, right? From the given figure, first we'll have to draw the figure. So figure is like this. You got the figure. This is a right angle. Then A, B, C is the big triangle. And D. Now he's asking 1, 2, 3 values for angle B. Then 1, 2, 3 values for angle C. Okay, what and all he's trying to ask, first we'll see what is sine B is asking, then what is secant B is asking, then what is cot B is asking. Okay, then we're asking what is cos C, then what is tan C, and then what is cosecant C. That means two angles. One time you'll have to assume angle B, one time you'll have to assume angle C. Okay. Now some data is given. This is 13. This is 5. This is 16. Okay. Now you use Pythagoras theorem and find out this one, AD. AD squared is equal to what? Instead of that, let us put AB squared. In triangle ABD.
Okay.
In triangle
Okay.
ABD.
Mm.
AB squared. AB is what? Which is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse is AB.
AB is hypotenuse. Which is adjacent side for angle B?
Adjacent side is BD.
BD. Very good. Okay. This will become what then? AD will be?
AD is the opposite side.
Opposite side. In triangle ABD, not ABC. Okay.
Hmm.
So in triangle ABD, applying the Pythagoras theorem, AD squared, let us not do AD squared then. What we will do? Hypotenuse squared, which is hypotenuse?
AB.
So AB squared is equal to what?
Equal to AD square plus BD square.
Very good. So what is AB?
AB is 13. 13
Okay.
square.
AD squared we don't know.
AD square is
BD is how much?
BD is 5 square.
5 squared. So 13 squared minus 5 squared. You bring it on that side. Same thing. Becomes AD squared. Okay. How much is 13 squared? Already one sum we saw. How much?
169.
169. 5 squared?
25.
25. That is equal to? 144 equal to AD squared. So AD will be how much then?
12.
AD is 12. So you got one important information. You got AD is 12. Okay. Now take triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, which is hypotenuse?
In triangle ADC. The hypotenuse is AC.
Very good. Okay. Opposite side?
AD.
AD is still opposite. Adjacent side?
DC.
Very good. Okay. Now again apply Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem you apply here. AC squared equal to what?
AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square.
Very good. Numbers now.
AC square is AC square. Uncle, 1 second. Yes, uncle.
Yeah, AD squared. AD, how much is AD?
AD square is 12 square.
BC, how much?
DC square is 16 square.
How much is 12 squared? You already know.
144.
16 squared? 16 into 16?
Into 16.
You want to put tables?
Okay.
You should mug your tables by now. Okay. Now I want you to do one thing.
232, uncle.
No, not 232. 6 into 6, how much?
6 is at 12. No.
6 into 6.
I'm sorry. 36.
Yeah. 1 into 6.
1 into 6, 6.
Plus 3.
6 plus 3, 9.
1 into 6.
6.
1 into 1.
1.
6 plus 0.
0. 6.
9 plus 6.
15.
1 plus 1.
2.
16 into 16 is a famous 256. How can you forget this? Okay. Now I want you to do something for the next 2 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
You download a multiplication table app onto your mobile phone. Any multiplication table app. Just see multiplication table app. Whatever you get, nice one, you download in your mobile phone. All right. You have a smartphone, right?
Yes, uncle.
So you download that and start playing the tables game.
Okay, uncle.
Okay. Till what tables you have to play games? Till 16 times table. 1 into 2. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. From that onwards, you play 2 into 2, 3 into 1, 4 into 1, 5 into 1, 6 into 1, 7 into all of that. 16 into 16. Each thing up to 16 you have to do. All right.
Okay, uncle.
You start playing. Every day you must finish one tables.
Okay, uncle.
That means in 16 days from today, August 18th, you are master of the multiplication tables. All right.
Okay, uncle.
Once you are master of the multiplication tables, what happens is you become a very fast calculating mind.
Okay, uncle.
Right. Very fast calculating mind. Then you will not make mistakes at all. Once you will not make mistakes, you will score very high. Automatically your score will improve.
Okay, uncle.
Most of the mistakes will happen in calculation. If you don't know how the steps of the sum, then you are finished. Okay. But
Okay,
if you
uncle.
know the steps of the sum and then you make silly mistakes in the tables, then you are finished. That is how you don't get the right answer most of the time. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
So two things are important. One thing is your imagination, where you do the steps of the sum. You find out how to solve the problem. That is your imagination, creativity. Okay. Don't mug the steps also. That is your creativity. The other thing is the mugging part, the memory part. Memory part, your multiplication tables, your addition, subtraction, all of that must be, up to date. Fingertips, tuck, 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 like that. 16 to 16. 256, 16 into 15, 240, tuck, 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 no. Up to 16 table is enough. You don't have to go beyond that.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, now what we are going to do? 16 into 16 is how much now?
256.
Now what you are going to do? 256 plus 144 ever. 6 plus 4?
0, 10.
5 plus 4?
10. 5 plus 4, 9.
9 plus 1, 10, correct.
10.
2 plus 1
And
plus 1?
3. No,
2
4.
plus 1, 4. Now root of 400 is how much?
Root of 400 is
AC squared is equal to 400. Therefore, AC is equal to root of 400. How much is, how many times?
20.
Very good. 20 into 20 is 400. So AC is equal to 20. Okay, now you got this value also. Hypotenuse is equal to 20. Now you have everything to work out the ratios. Now you just have to use the formula and apply the ratio. Now you tell me sign B now.
Uncle, just one second. Let me just note these down.
Opposite by hypotenuse. Which triangle? Sign B.
Sine B is triangle ABD.
Now tell me. Formula?
Sine formula is opposite side by hypotenuse.
Very good. Now give the numbers.
Opposite side is AD.
How much?
So AD is 12.
Okay. Hypotenuse?
And the hypotenuse is 13.
Very good. Secant B. What is secant formula?
Secant. Secant is
Converse. Yeah.
I'm sorry, it's secant theta. Am I right? Secant theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Very good. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Very good.
Yes. So
what is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse is 13.
Adjacent is
5.
very good. Cot theta now. Cot B.
Cot
Formula?
It is adjacent side by opposite side.
Very good. Now what?
5 by 12.
Excellent. Excellent. Same way now you go to which triangle now? For
Triangle ADC.
In ADC. Okay. In ADC, what is the opposite side?
Opposite side is hypotenuse.
Okay. Cos C. Give formula.
Sorry, uncle.
Give the formula for cos theta, cos C.
Cos C. It is adjacent side by hypotenuse.
What is
So
the adjacent
cos
side?
adjacent side is DC. That is 16.
Very good.
16 by 20.
Very good. Simplify.
16 by
Divide
20
by 4.
becomes 4 by 5.
4 by 5. Excellent. Very good answer. You are doing very well, yeah. Okay, tan C.
Tan is opposite side by adjacent side.
Okay, adjacent side. Very good. Opposite is?
Is opposite is 12. 12 by 16.
Simplify by 4.
By 4. 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Very good. Then cosecant C.
Cosecant C.
Formula.
It is hypotenuse by opposite side. So that is 20 by 12.
Very good. Simplify
It
by
is
4.
5 by 3.
Excellent, yeah. Who told you don't like maths and all? You like maths very much. You're enjoying the maths. This is all maths is. What's your problem? Before I can teach you, you are answering everything. Okay. You want to copy this or anything?
Yes, uncle, I want to note it down. So
Note it down.
yes, uncle.
Done.
May I know what question number this is from exercise 6.2?
This is 6.2.
Question number, uncle.
Exercise 6. Question number 2.
Okay, uncle. Yes, uncle. I'm done.
Done, no? It's a flaw in the software. It's not allowing to rub off everything. Okay, next problem. Now you know this problem, next problem also simply very simple.
Yes, uncle.
Third problem, this is exercise 6, problem number 3.
Exercise
6.1, problem number 3.
Okay, uncle.
6.1, problem number 3. It's saying if 2 cos theta
2 cos theta.
2 cos theta is equal to root of 3. Saying find all the trigonometric ratios of theta. all the 6 ratios.
Okay, uncle.
You have to find. Simple. You have to find. Now, what can we do? Can you suggest a step?
We should first find the 2 cos theta. No, it's already there. We should find 1 cos theta.
You should find 1 cos theta.
Hmm.
So cos theta is equal to root of 3. You take this 2 downward. What will happen?
Root of 3 by 2.
Cos theta. Okay. Now, to draw the triangle. Let us take theta. A, B, C. This is theta. Okay.
Hmm.
Cos theta is equal to what is the formula?
Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse.
By hypotenuse. Okay.
So
So,
the adjacent
what is the
side
adjacent side? Which line is
B.
adjacent side?
BC.
BC. BC is root 3. Hypotenuse is which one?
Hypotenuse is AC.
This is 2. Now you have to find out what is AB, opposite side.
Hmm.
Right? What do you use?
The Pythagoras theorem.
Very good. Use Pythagoras theorem. Now tell me formula, Pythagoras formula.
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
Very good. AB squared we don't know.
Hmm.
So what we can say? We can say AC squared minus BC squared is equal to AB squared. This is what we want to find out. Correct.
Hmm.
Take BC on the other side. Take this here, you will get minus. Okay.
Yes. Uncle.
Okay, how much is AC?
AC is AC is 2.
2 squared minus, how much is BC?
BC is root 3.
Root 3 squared equal to AB squared. 2 into 2?
2 2s are 4.
Root 3 into 2? Root 3 into 2 squared?
Root 3,
Root 3 into root 3. This is the idea.
3 into root 3.
Is equal to how much?
18.
3 into 3 is 9. Root 3
9.
into root 3 is, any root into its own root is what? Is a number only. Okay, this is 3.
Okay, uncle.
How much is root 2 into root 2?
2.
Yeah. Root 100 into root 100, how much?
100.
Got it, right? Because
Yes.
root of 100 is 10. This is also 10. So 10 into 10?
Same
Correct.
number.
That's all. So any root into its own root is given the number. Okay. 4 minus 3 is how much?
1.
AB squared is equal to 1. Root of 1 is how much?
1?
Yeah, root of 1 is 1 only. So AB is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. Now you got everything. You can find all the ratios. So
Yes,
now
uncle.
you
Can
tell
I just
me
take
one
these down,
by
uncle?
one each of the ratios. Sin theta, how much?
Uncle, can I just note these down?
Sorry?
Can I just note these down?
Yeah, note this down. Note this down. Take your time.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Now, back to the formulas. Now, simple, very simple now. Sin theta is equal to?
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
So, what is opposite?
1.
Hypotenuse?
2.
Very good.
By 2.
Cos theta is equal to?
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Yeah, numbers?
root 3 by 2.
Very good. Tan theta.
Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side.
Adjacent
So it
side.
is
Correct.
2 by 1.
Opposite side is 2. No? No,
Oh,
no,
I'm
no.
sorry. Opposite side is root 3.
No. Theta is here, yeah. This is theta.
Oh.
What is opposite theta?
Oh. Opposite is 1.
Hmm.
Adjacent is root 3.
Very good. Tan theta is 1 by root 3. Now cosecant theta is very easy to find out. Tell me.
Cosecant theta is 2 by 1.
Okay. Secant theta.
Secant theta is 2 by root 3.
Very good. Very simple. Cot theta.
Cot theta is root 3 by 1.
That's all. Very simple. Very easily
Hmm.
solved. First step, what you have to do is make that 2 cos theta root 3 should not be blinking. Oh, very easy. Cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Once you get that, then you immediately apply formula adjacent side by hypotenuse, draw the triangle. And put the adjacent side as root 3, put the hypotenuse as 2. Then you apply Pythagoras theorem. Immediately, you get the opposite side, which is 1. Now you got 1, root 3, 2, everything. So you can find all the 6 ratios very easily. That's all. That thing is simple. The last 6 steps are simple. The most important step is realize that from 2 cos theta equal to root 3, you can arrive at cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Then make it as adjacent by hypotenuse and draw the triangle. That is where the creativity is. Once you draw the triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem very easy. That is also easy.
Yes.
Okay. After that, getting the ratios is a matter of formula. Okay. Very simple. But you should not make any mistake there. Suddenly you told no, suddenly root 3 by 2 for tan theta. Don't make mistakes.
Yes, uncle.
Every time be careful. Otherwise, you will lose marks for nothing.
Yes, uncle.
Because the tough part you did already. These 6 ratios is very simple. Then there you should not make a mistake. Okay. Now, can we rub this out?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Once again, I just want to try something. Are you able to? Yes. Screenshots also I'm able to send. Fine.
Yes, uncle.
Did you see your thing?
Yes, uncle. I got it.
You got the screenshots, right?
Yes, I got it, uncle.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So that is also fine. We can do that now. Okay. We will do one more sum. We have still have time. 10 minutes we have. Let us do one more sum. Example, exercise 6.1. Okay, fourth sum will do. If cos A is equal to 3 by 5.
Yes, uncle.
Fourth sum we're going to do now. Exercise what? 6.1. We are doing the fourth sum now.
Okay, uncle.
Okay. Here he's saying what is given, data is given as cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Then find the value of sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. So what all you have to find out? You have only cos A given. What you have to find out then?
Sin A and tan A.
Sin A and tan A you have to find out.
So
that means all 3 ratios you have to find out. Because tan opposite by adjacent. Then hypotenuse also you have to find out. Okay, what is the formula for cos?
1 second. 2 tan.
No, which side by which side is cos?
I don't get you, uncle.
I'll draw the triangle.
Okay, uncle. Is this necessary that we should draw the triangle for the sums, or is it just for our
better for you? It will be, you won't make error if you draw. If you try to do it mentally, you might make error. Yes, better you draw the triangle. Okay. Here, which is opposite side? Name of the side.
Opposite side is AB.
No.
I'm sorry, uncle. One sec.
Adjacent na பக்கத்துல இருக்குதுன்னு அர்த்தம். அப்படியே theta
Oh, the
பக்கத்துலயே ஓடுது அது
theta's
adjacent.
on. I'm just drawing the diagram, uncle. One sec.
Slowly. You think I'm going very fast? You tell me. We can take it.
Okay, uncle. Yes, uncle. I'm done.
Ready? Okay. What is opposite side?
Opposite side is BC.
Very good. Hypotenuse is?
Hypotenuse is AC.
AC. Adjacent side is?
AB.
Adjacent side is AB. Okay. Now, you got to get the ratios now. Before you get the ratios, you know cos. What is formula for cos?
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is how much now? This is 3 by 5. This is given. Is given this as 3 by 5. So adjacent side equal to?
Adjacent side equal to 3.
Then hypotenuse equal to?
5.
Now what you have to find out?
BC, that is the opposite side.
Opposite side. Now Pythagoras theorem formula. Tell me now.
AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
Very good. Okay, now what we don't know is AB squared. No, BC squared we don't know.
BC
so what you can
square.
do? AC squared minus
AC
AB
square minus AB
squared equal to BC squared. Right. Now tell me numbers.
AC square is equal to 15 square.
No, 5 only, not 15.
5, sorry. I'm sorry. 5 square minus AB square is 3 square.
Very good.
Equal to BC square.
How much is 5 square?
5 square is 25.
This one?
9.
How much it is? So 25 minus 9.
25 minus 9 is
25 minus 10 is 15. 25 minus 9 is
14. BC square. So BC
minus
is equal
9?
to 7.
No, 15 minus 9. How much?
15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. 14.
15 minus 9 is 14, huh?
I'm sorry. 5.
I think you are saturated. You are going too fast. There is 15. I take off 5. I take off 4. How much is remaining? 5 plus 1, 6. 15, 25 minus 9 is 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, you borrowed 1. So there is only 1 there, 16, not 14. So 25 minus 9 is how much?
16.
16. BC squared is equal to 16. Therefore, BC is equal to how much?
4.
4, exactly. So what you should put here, this is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. Okay. Now you'll have to find out what is sin A. Sin A is equal to formula?
Opposite side by adjacent side.
Oh.
Sorry, hypotenuse.
Yeah. Only for tan and cot you will get opposite. You will not have hypotenuse. Sin and cos you will have hypotenuse. Cosec and sec also you will have hypotenuse. Sin and cos hypotenuse will be at the bottom. Cosec and sec hypotenuse will be at the
top.
Yeah, that's all. You should never forget this. Very simple. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse. Now tell me numbers.
Opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5.
Very good. No, tan theta. Tan A, sorry.
Tan A is 4 by 3.
Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Now you find out the how much this is. Now you have to find out.
2
and the value of that thing.
by
Okay, substitute sin theta. Sin A is how much?
4 by 5.
Okay, 4 by 5. Minus cos A is how much?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Divided by 2 into what?
4 by 3.
4 by 3. So 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to how much?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. 2 into 4?
2 into 4, 8.
8 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 5 into 3 by 8. 1 into 3?
5 into 3 by 8. 3.
5 into 8?
40.
So this is your answer. 3 by 40.
40.
Okay, very simple. That's all. So trigonometry is your strongest point now. You can keep on going. I think you will freak out with your trigonometry. Any sum in trigonometry comes, you take it and you do it. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
You want to copy something, you can copy.
I'm done, uncle.
You done, na?
Yes, uncle.
Right. I'll try to do that thing and see if I can post it. Yeah, it's coming. Very good.
Yes,
Okay,
uncle.
I think today we'll end here because we went very fast. Very good. It's excellent. I think you will come up, very nicely. We'll stop you. We'll go slowly. Exercise 1 will complete. 6.1 will complete on Wednesday. I think we'll be able to complete 6.1 on Wednesday.
Yes, uncle.
Then your textbook has how much? Some more examples for different ideas. Then exercise 6.2 is a smaller one. Then it's 6.3. That's also a small one only. 6.4, bigger one. Okay. I think in 2 weeks' time we'll finish trigonometry. All right.
Uncle, actually, it seems that I think in a few weeks I will have my unit tests.
Okay.
And we are learning at the moment. We are learning real numbers.
Okay.
So right now we completed till radical notation. So I'm finding that a bit tough. Radical numbers. I think
Okay.
it is.
You take your school test separately. We will do this separately. Here we'll work for getting 100 out of 100. Your school, what they do, you just keep doing that. Let's not mix the two. If I start doing that, then we will not be able to finish the portions. All right.
Okay.
We'll come to that. We'll finish all the interesting stuff, and you confidence will grow. By the time they take trigonometry for you, you will know everything. So you will have no work to do when they take trigonometry. Okay. Now you learn real numbers there, and you learn with me here. By that way, whatever they are doing, they will go by order. No, first 4 chapters they'll be going in. We will finish the last 5 chapters first. So that your school will finish the first half, I will finish the second half. Already you would have finished the whole thing. Like that. So it will be an advantage. And then I will go and do the first part so that it will be easier for you.
So it will be like a revision.
It will be a repetition. 2 times you'll be learning. But let us not disturb that scenario. Okay. You write down, you take whether you're finding it tough or not, you just learn by yourself and do that stuff.
Okay, uncle.
Okay. So that was a good session today. Very nice. You are doing very well. You should not find it difficult. Maybe the teacher is not teaching well. That's all.
Actually, I didn't even learn trigonometry yet. This is actually my first time learning trigonometry. So
yeah, trigonometry you never learn in 8th standard. This is a new subject. Very important subject. You come only this time. 9th standard onwards only. 10th standard trigonometry will be even more. Some of the problems will be tougher. Some of the problems will be very interesting. Like heights and distances, angle of elevation, angle of depression, and then both angle of elevation and angle of depression, like that. All those problems, very interesting problems. So you will have 3 exercises in your 10th standard like that. But 9th standard trigonometry, very, very easy. It will be like this only. That's all. You're finding it difficult? Nothing, no? Very easy. So we'll finish off trigonometry. Then we'll do mensuration. We'll do mensuration then. or we'll do statistics, probability, coordinate geometry. Then we'll come to your first part. We'll finish the last 5 lessons. We'll come to the first 4 lessons.
Okay, uncle.
Right. Okay. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, uncle. Bye.
Bye. Say thank Dad because he put in the fees also. Bye bye.